Yeah, it's my little camera recording everything. There's Uncle Kala. And we made it. We made it to Niue. Now we are going to search and rescue Mum and John. I don't know if they're
lost in Niue.
Saw some wild dogs down there. Might made me consider going for my walk around the island, but I think we'll be okay. Where are we?
We are to Niue.
We always used to come down here?
Yeah. You come down here last time. We came, but you don't remember. It's a fauna, it's a cave.
That's where they all keep their canoes.
Oh. Is there a pathway up there? Nah. Small one. I'll have a quick look. There on down there, it's a little path to another. We're in Mutalau. This is Mum is teaching us, but yeah. And here we are. Mum, Uncle, and there's John driving. Little cat. And this is where we might be camping.
Yeah.
Hey, we made it.
Oh, this is nice.
Nice house. Alright, here we go. Maybe I should camp with the pigs. Yeah. All the chickens. So yeah, here we are. We're just checking out the plantation. My uncle's plantation. The dogs.
Yeah. Nên ấy hay kêu cái gì cái húi nào mình đó tàu húi mới á siêu mấy mình đã bắt tàu húi đi à you take it to the húi and you come in.
Oh, you're talking about preserving it.
I think I'll
So yeah, here we are. It's a bit. Oh. Wearing Crocs in this, so let's go. Oh my gosh. Here we are. There we go. Alright, see you there. Yep, that was the plantation. We're heading back now. I'm in the back of the truck. Coconut plantation. The dogs. Pretty cool day. Oh yeah, we just finished. This is where my mum and uncle and a bunch of other family planted these coconut trees. It's pretty cool. Just had some coconut there. Now we're heading back. Just waiting for the truck. Gonna follow it back. See you whenever. Go on, Blake. Oh.
Don't be mischief, eh? You just walk.
Day one. Taking the dogs for a walk. Yeah, me and John. First sign. Is this like about the forest? The information. Is that just the information? Yeah. Oh, alright. I think we almost walked half a k. The first house we see. Very quiet. John,
There's a people's
family house?
house over there. Used to be a home base.
Oh, yeah. Yep, here we are. We are on the way back. Oh, and here we are. We made it back. Like an hour walk there and back. Back home.